family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, y'all, if this is your first time stopping by, welcome. I hope you like the video, and if you do, go ahead and check out the channel. I'm pretty sure you're going to love the channel as well. And if you love the channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to join this amazing family. All right, y'all, so today I'm here with this herb, one of my favorite herbs, and this is the rosemary. This is the dried rosemary. So I'm going to be using this herb today to make my rosemary butter. All right. I'm going to be using cocoa butter to make my rosemary butter. But let's start off with the first step. And the first step is to make my rosemary oil. So to do so, I'm going to be measuring about 2 tablespoons of my dried rosemary. All right, so I have about 2 tablespoons of the dried rosemary. I'm going to close this up. The next thing to do here is to add my oils. I'm going to be using the grapeseed oil, and I will be using 1/4 of the grapeseed oil. I'll put this in here. The next thing to add is my coconut oil. I will be using about 2 tablespoons as well of the coconut oil. The last oil to add is my pumpkin seed oil. Pumpkin seed oil is really great for your hair. It helps makes your hair grow. It nourishes your hair as well. It gives you that thick hair that you are looking for. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of the pumpkin seed oil. I have equal parts of all of my oil. I'm going to be transferring this to the stove top, and I will be doing the double boiler method. This is it. So let's transfer this to the stove top. All right, family, as I said, I was going to be using the double boiler method. This is it. My water is almost to a boiling point. I'm just going to set this in here and leave it here for about 30 to 45 minutes. While the oil is on the stove top, I'm going to move on to my butter. This is the cocoa butter. As I mentioned earlier, this is the cocoa butter that I will be using to make my rosemary butter. I'm just going to break this down. Again, this is my second time using this butter. I said in my previous video that I bought this butter from a friend of mine. She sells the wholesale cocoa butter. So this is what I got from her. This is the amount that I got from her. I'm going to break this down. That way it is easy to melt. As soon as the oil is ready, I'm going to be transferring this to the stove top as well and using the double boiler method. So to help it melt faster, I'm just going to break this. This is solid, y'all, solid. Oh my god, this butter smells just like chocolate. This is from the motherland, y'all. This is 100% organic cocoa butter. Cocoa butter helps maintain long-lasting hydration for your hair. It deeply nourishes the hair, and it reduces split ends and breakage. It's also really good for your skin. If you have blemishes or stretch marks, you can use this on your skin. It's going to help nourish your skin, your hair. This is versatile, y'all. Today I'm going to be using this to make my rosemary butter. So this is the butter. This is enough. I'm going to set this on the stove top after my oil is ready. So let's leave this here. Oil is ready. I'm going to set this aside. Make sure to grab you something to hold your bowl because it's kind of hot. You don't want to burn yourself. Now let's move this over here. I'm going to be straining the oil. This smells amazing, y'all. It smells minty. It smells like rosemary, but it has a minty odor to it. So Let's put this in here. And you can reuse this, y'all. You can reuse your rosemary. I do that all the time. I will be reusing my rosemary. I definitely have to strain this oil one more time. As you can see, I have a lot of particles in here. So yeah, I'm going to strain this one more time. And to do that, I'm going to be using my stocking cap. See, that's why I like to use my stocking cap, you know. I never thought of that. See, it lost grain. That's because of the rosemary. All the vitamins and nutrients have been transferred into the oil. You can let this sit down for a month, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Doing the same thing with my herbal oil. I have my herbal oil sitting for like, it's been over 2 weeks now, and I'm going to use it. I cannot wait to use it because I just imagine the potency of the oil after sitting for so long. Yeah, I cannot wait to use it. So you can keep this for a month, 2 months, 3 weeks, 1 week, you know, or a day, or you can use it immediately like I did mine. So we're going to look at the cocoa butter to see if it's melting. All right, let's go look at that. All right, family, the cocoa butter is almost ready. I have a couple of lumps in here, so I'm just going to give it about a few more minutes, maybe 3 to 5 minutes, then it will be ready. Here is the cocoa butter. It has fully melted down. Now we are going to combine both oils, the cocoa butter and the rosemary oil. This is the cocoa butter and the rosemary oil combined. I've already stirred it. I am going to cover this up and put this in my refrigerator or my freezer for perhaps 25 to 30 minutes. This is the butter after it has sat in the refrigerator for a little over 30 minutes. This is how it looks. So now I have to whisk it. All right, family, I just want to say this. I am waiting for a little while because I want my butter to be really soft. So the longer you whisk, the softer and smoother your butter is. All right, so I'm going to be whisking for a little while. All right, family, I think I got the consistency that I'm looking for. So my butter is very smooth. Like, look at this, it melts right on my fingers. So this is the consistency I was looking for. Now I'm going to be transferring this into my storage containers. Let's go do that. These are the jars I'm going to be using to store my butter. I got these off Amazon, and I have an extra jar here just in case, okay? Because I think this butter is too much. I'm going to need more jars. All right, y'all, this is how you can make your rosemary butter using cocoa butter. Rosemary is very, very amazing for your hair. It increases blood flow to your hair follicles, which also increases the delivery of oxygen and nutrients, promoting hair growth, because you do want the nutrients and you do want oxygen. Another way you can get blood flow into your hair, I have mentioned this on my channel, you can massage your scalp daily. I like to do that. If I'm not doing it daily, I do it every other day to help me with blood circulation. Rosemary is very, very amazing for the hair. It helps with dandruff. It boosts the shine of your hair. And this butter is very, very lightweight. This is not going to weigh your hair down. I use the grapeseed oil, and I also have my coconut oil and pumpkin seed oil. I forgot the pumpkin seed oil. They are all amazing oils for your hair. This butter again is very, very lightweight. It is not going to weigh your hair down. You can use this to nourish your hair. 3 times a week is enough, or maybe two. I'll do 2 times a week to nourish my hair and my girl's hair. So this is how you can make the butter, family. If you liked the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also comment your favorite part in the video and subscribe. If you aren't a member of the family, go ahead and smash that subscribe button to join this amazing family. So we have butter for days, y'all, that we can use. I'm so glad I made this. We have a whole batch here. So this is how you can make this amazing butter, family. Thank you all again for stopping by. Smash that subscribe button to join the family. My family has just arrived from Bible study. They are back home. So thank you again. I'll catch you all in the next one. Remain blessed. Bye. Front door locked.